Amazon is a force of nature. Depending on where you live in the world, Amazon is a greater or lesser influence, but here in North America, it's an absolute juggernaut as far as its economic impact. Now, one of the cool things about Amazon is regardless of the size of business you are, there's a good chance you can do business with Amazon. Take a look. I'm in Canada, and here's the Amazon.ca page. And at the bottom of every Amazon page, regardless of which geography you're in, you're going to find this. They put it on every page. It's that important. Make money with us. Sell on Amazon, selling products. Amazon Associates, selling Amazon Handmade, advertising, or independently publishing with us. Today on DOTTO, we are going to take a look at Amazon Associates. Steve Dotto here. How the heck you doing this fine day? At DOTTO, we make technology easy so you can do more. And what you're going to do more of today is we're going to make more money. We're going to figure out a way to make Amazon work for us instead of just a place where we spend money. Now, Amazon has an affiliate program called Amazon Affiliates, which is simplicity in itself. If you recommend a product on Amazon and you're registered as an Amazon affiliate, and the person who purchases that product purchases it through clicking through your Amazon link. Now, it doesn't matter whether it's toilet paper or a book or a big screen TV. If you're the one that they clicked on to look at that product, you get a commission. Now, it's a small commission. It's not a huge amount of money, but it can really add up if you can get a lot of people to purchase products that you recommend. That's the soul of Amazon Affiliates. Now, some people do very, very well with it. Some people do just okay with it. And some people are still nascent in just growing their Amazon affiliate presence. I'm going to spend today and take a look with you at how the program works and how you can get involved so you can determine if it's worth your time. Now, I'm going to give you one caveat right off the top, a disclaimer. My Amazon affiliate revenue is not anything which is earth-shaking. I've only really been doing Amazon affiliate marketing for maybe about a year, and I'm not wholeheartedly in the pool because there are other avenues that I make money on that I'm far more aggressive in as far as my own revenue is concerned. Having said that, I'm intrigued by what's happening with Amazon affiliates. I have a lot of friends who do very well with Amazon affiliates, and you might be in the camp that does very well with Amazon affiliates, so it's worth looking at. So here's how it all works. Basically speaking, you choose a product. Now here, let's say that I recommended this camera, and I've been looking at this camera. I've been considering buying this camera myself, but I do a post about this camera. I do a video about this camera. I talk about it in some aspect. I can create a custom link to this camera. If you purchase this camera within 24 hours of clicking on that link, say reading my blog post on it, I am compensated by Amazon at a varying scale based on your purchase. Now, the really cool thing about Amazon affiliates, and the thing that makes it make so much difference for a lot of people, is regardless if you don't buy this camera, but you click on my link for this camera, and then within 24 hours you purchase something else on Amazon, I get credit for that. That's the genius between around Amazon affiliates, is even if somebody buys something else, you get credit. And I will show you how that all works in just a few moments. To sign up for Amazon affiliates, you scroll down to the bottom of any page and you click on Become an Affiliate. Now, this is not a short process. There's quite a bit of paperwork that you have to do as far as filling in your form. There could be tax information that has to be exchanged back and forth as you set up your Amazon affiliate store and Amazon affiliate relationship. But it's worth the effort, and it's pretty basic to go through. They've got excellent online help, so I'm not going to spend too much time on the actual registration. One thing I will tell you is each Amazon store, and this is important to understand, each Amazon store in each geography is an independent business. They're there, and we have to register with each one that we want to do business in. That's a little bit of a hassle. I think it's changing. I think over the next little while that will change, and it will probably get easier for us to do that. But for now, you have to determine. So if you're in Canada or United States, you're obviously going to register in the US store and the Canadian store, but then you're also probably going to want to create an account in the UK store and in the any other stores that are English speaking that you believe that your marketplace is in. Once you have your account set up, you can then go into your Amazon affiliates dashboard and you can start creating links. Now you're going to share these links in blog posts, in videos, in reviews. You're going to share these links doing content marketing where you're sharing the information about what it is you're recommending people buy by placing it in context and giving them supporting information about whatever it is you are recommending. A great example might be if you're running a book club and you guys are going to be reading a certain book this month. Well, you can just share the link for that book to everybody so that people can purchase it for their Kindle or for the hard copy, but they can purchase the book from Amazon and you'll be compensated for it. So that's a nice kind of sample of how it might work. Now, I don't have a book club, but I do often recommend people buy different types of video gear for screencasting. So, for example, if I wanted to do a post talking about the video camera that I'm using for this video right now, which is the Logitech Brio, I can put that in here and search for the product based on that description. It brings up all of the different cameras that match that description, and I can choose any of these cameras here, and I can create a link. Now, all links are not created equal. The link is going to go to the product that you're talking about, but there's different types of links that we can create as well. For example, we can create just a text link, which will be just that we would say put in into a web page where it would say Logitech Brio and you click on it and that it would be the HTML code behind it, a text link. You can do that. But you can also create links that are full on ads, which are basically embed codes that will allow you to design an ad that will live on your page and it will look much like this. Do you see how we have a nice graphic and the Amazon Prime logo and all of those things attached as well? So you've got a variety of different ways that you can create these links. The key is that you want to populate these links into areas that are appropriate for those links to live. Now, Amazon's very careful that you don't spam links out, that you don't, say, do paid traffic and pay and place ads on Google Ads with ads to Amazon. There are rules against that, so make sure that you follow and check all of the rules. But if you're creating valuable content that's helping people make decisions, then you are in the sweet spot for where the Amazon affiliate program is really going to work for you. So you create any of these links, and then you can embed these links in your different properties and anywhere that you're sharing the information. So we share it in our blog posts and in our videos are the main areas that we share ours. Once you've been sharing codes for a while, once you've been sharing your HTML codes for a little while, you will start to get some traffic and you'll start to make some sales. Now, Amazon reports, at least for me, they report the sales on a daily basis. And here, as I was saying earlier, we don't have a huge amount of sales here at DOTTO on our Amazon affiliate program, but we do have enough to see that it's actually working. So here's my overview of the last 30 days. It's been kind of quiet. I've only made a profit of $15 over the last 30 days. That's on 862 clicks. That's basically looking at the money that I made. Oh, sorry, that's this month, what I've earned. Now, you can get a much better picture of kind of what's happening by going up and looking in the reports menu within your Amazon affiliate dashboard. So I'm just going to click on the reports menu to give you an idea of what's selling and how you'll see how some of the things I'm recommending are selling, but I'm also making money from some of those tangential items that people are buying. So here we see my account. You can see I really got kind of active about 6 months ago in Amazon affiliates. And we haven't had a lot of traction, but here we see the first month we had 671 clicks and we made $35. And some months have been better, some months have been worse. I haven't really focused my energies on this, but you can see how you basically see here proof that the concept works. But this is what I find really interesting, is I go down here into the bottom and I see what we sold, the items that have been sold, and a lot of them are indeed items that I recommend, such as a collapsible background kit for doing green screen, light bulbs, the lighting kit that I use, the Logitech webcams that I use. But as we go down a little bit farther, we find anti-residual shampoo. I've sold shampoo. I don't know how. Fruit of the Loom men's t-shirts. Okay, that sounds pretty interesting. Some of the things I just don't get. Some of the things I do. Index tabs. Dry mouth dentist formulated lozenges. Okay. I'm happy to have sold them. So that's obviously things that people have ordered after they have looked at something that I've recommended. So that's the exciting part of Amazon. Now, as I say, I've got friends I know who make seriously reasonable money from their Amazon affiliate accounts. Now, typically speaking, those are people who are doing lots of hardware reviews, recommending lots of products, and have a large following. But regardless if you have a large following or not, Amazon has something called the Amazon Influencers Program, which is a kind of another stage to the whole Amazon affiliate game. And I want to talk to you about that right now as well. The Amazon Influencers Program works by allowing people to attach their own brand to their recommendations of what's happening on Amazon. It's a program that you can sign up for, and they promote it right within your Amazon affiliate dashboard. Now, when you create an influencers page, you can create your own kind of de facto Amazon store. It's really exciting how it all works. And then here's mine here, the link to mine. Let me just show you what it looks like. This is a page that has all of the product that I recommend in a single location. And there are tremendous advantages to doing this way. Take a look here. So here's my Amazon page right here. So you can see I'm here, I'm talking about it, and here are all of the different products that I've reviewed and that I recommend. And actually, if we view this as, I'm going to view it as what others see. So you can see how it's laid out. So we see the price of the product. We see the product itself. And look here, do you see this little tab here? This allows me to write supporting text about my thoughts about this product. See here about this Behringer model? It's the one I use. I'm not sure it's the best choice, but it does the job for me. Do you see that? This one here, I say, this is a great audio interface at a great price. I've recommended this to many friends and none have been disappointed. So you got my little extra notes as you look at the product. Now, obviously, this is all product which is relevant for what I do for my business. This is all video products for helping you create screencasts or online video. So this is the kind of the heart of my Amazon associates and my Amazon influencer campaign. Now, the cool thing about this is as I am going through and just kind of looking at different products, if I see a product that I want to recommend, even as I'm browsing Amazon as just normal Steve, let me just go into Amazon. I'll show you how that works. And let's say I'm searching for, let's say I'm looking at those Canon M50s. This is a camera that I want to buy. Canon EOS M50 with a dual pixel. There we go. I don't want all the extra lenses. I don't want the microphone pack. Here we go. This is the one that I'm interested in right here. So this is the camera package that I'm considering buying. Now, regardless of whether I bought it already or I'm considering buying it, watch what I've got here. Watch the access that I've got here. I can add this to a list, and I can add this to my own shopping list, my wish list for others to buy stuff for me, which is a pretty cool aspect within Amazon. But I can also add this right here to my influencer list. I can click here, and that now will be added to my influencer list. So let me go into my list here, and let me refresh this. And let's see if the Canon there it is right there. The Canon M50 is right there. And by clicking on Edit List, I can now add some notes. There we go. So it's very conversational. I love this aspect of being able to add notes to everything. Now, here's the genius of the Amazon Influencers Program. If I'm doing a broadcast of any sort and people ask me what mixer do I recommend or what mixer am I using, I can't easily just grab my Amazon affiliate link for the Behringer mixer that I have sitting here because it would just take me a little bit of time to go and find all that information to generate the link. However, the fact that I know that it's living on my Amazon influencers page means I just have one URL that I have to share, which is amazon.com/ I think it's /dottotech. What's the URL for it? I actually have it as a keyboard shortcut here. So let me see. Just go Amazon. And there it is. It's amazon.com/shop/dottotech. That's my influencer page. So I share that with people and they have access to all of my most updated products that I recommend that are in my sweet spot. I really like this program, and I believe that should I decide that I'm going to really double down and try and grow my Amazon affiliate revenue, that this page is the key to my success. Now, I'm not sure everybody is going to want to use Amazon affiliates, but if you are in the space where you're providing value to a community, where you're teaching them, they're interested in what you're using, you're helping them make purchasing decisions, then a program like the Amazon affiliate program is absolutely perfect for you. It's going to generate passive revenue for you all the time for just sharing the information that you are already sharing. I love reading your comments and suggestions, so please post below. I do read every single one. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends or colleagues who may find it useful. Now make sure you've subscribed and hit that notification bell, and if you have time, check out some of our other videos right over there. Till next time, I'm Steve Dotto. Have fun storming a castle.